that again. I got this big bookcase.
Life doesn't feel real right now.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I'm sorry if you hear any background noises. They're so loud outside. I'm not sure what the fuck they're doing, but it's really fucking loud. As you can tell, I'm already like dressed and everything. I just had like a slow morning and decided to just shower and kind of get ready. But I wanted to vlog today because I ordered some nail stuff and I just got my last package in because my nails are so grown out and they need a fill. They look disgusting. So I basically ordered everything I'm gonna need to do my own fills because I have no idea when I can start going to the salon again. And even if they announce this week that no salons can open again, I don't think I feel comfortable going yet. So I'd rather just do it at home for the time being. So I want to do that today. I also want to give you a quick update on my room because as you can tell, it has changed a little bit. And what else? Yeah, I need to film a video, which I think I put on like a tiny bit of makeup, just some like blush and stuff and like faux freckles because I just wasn't feeling like wearing a full face. So I'm probably gonna film that after I do my nails because I really just want to start off with my nails right now. Kind of want to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna film myself trying to give myself a fill. I haven't done my own nails in like years. When I was like 15 or something, I tried doing my own acrylics, but I didn't succeed, and I've been wearing gel nails for the longest time, but I've never tried to really do it on my own. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Let me go put a new battery in this camera because it's dying, and I'm gonna like set everything up and just try to get this going. Okay, so let me quickly take you through the products that I got. I got a lamp, which is right here. The cord is quite short, so I can't really grab it. I got some, oh my god, why is it so loud outside? I got some nail files and a buffer. I got a brush for the gel, a dap and dish. I still know some of this because I used to like watch all these videos and do nails. I got like a prep and cleanser for your nails, right? Yeah, this cleans your nails. It will also use this to get rid of like the sticky layer. Oh my god, can it? Oh my god. I have a nail prep and a primer which just like preps your nails well. I have a nail liquid which will help blend out the gel, which is this one. I wanted to get one of these because I have tried a gel in the past, but it was like in those little pots and it was like very liquidy, and this is more of like thicker. It's more of a thick gel. Oh my god. There you go. It's more of a thick gel. Let me wipe that off. Which is just gonna be like a bit easier to work with. So that's why I got that one. And then I got a black gel polish from a different, oh no wait, this one, oh yeah, this one I got for free. I don't know why they put it in my order. It's like a lilac. It's actually quite cute, so I'm not mad about that. But I also ordered a black gel polish from a different website because I thought like you can never go wrong with black. And I also got a top coat, and then I just have some other random stuff. I'm just gonna try and file my nails first. I'm gonna try to file off as much gel as possible, and then I'm gonna decide if I want to cut my nails and start from scratch because I did buy tips and like nail glue because I feel like my nails are just so grown out. Maybe it's better to just start all over, but I think I'm just first gonna file and see how that goes. I'm just gonna sit you down here and I'm gonna watch some Netflix or something. The lighting might not be the best because I obviously have my window in the back. It's 12:20 right now. Hopefully I can get this done within the next 2 hours. Okay, so I just finished filing one hand and I decided to take off my index finger because it was just like kind of beat up and done with. I've hit it so many times, especially while I was like growing out. I'm quickly just gonna clean off my nails and have a look, and then I'm gonna do the other hand because I do kind of want to like do them all at the same time. I don't think I want to do one hand first because like I'm gonna be finished with one and then I'm gonna be like, fuck, I still need to do the other one. But I just kind of filed them down as thin as possible, and then I took this one off, and I'm just gonna put a tip on that and cut it to size. I didn't buy like an electric nail file drill because I didn't want to spend 60 bucks on it. All the cheap ones were sold out. And I was like, I'm not spending 60 bucks. Like, I already spent like 120 or something on all of this, including the lamp. So I was like, I'm not gonna also spend like 60 bucks on a nail gel when gel is like pretty easy to file down. So like, I was like, nah, it's not necessary to me. Filing was definitely annoying, but it's okay. What time is it? I've been filing for like 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with my left hand because like right is my dominant hand. I'm gonna stick on, let me one more time dehydrate my index finger, and then I'm gonna stick on a tip, and I'm just gonna start and try to fill up my nails and see how it goes. Camera battery died while I was working, but I finished this hand. I have to say I'm kind of annoyed that I filed this one too short, but it looks pretty good right now. Definitely not as easy as I thought it was going to be, but yeah. Okay, so basically I have to go ahead and do the other hand now. I feel like the index fingernail turned out kind of weird looking, but that's really just because the tip was really weird. Like the tip just, I don't know, it was really weird. But I'm trying to get it into a nice little coffin shape. It just looks kind of odd, but it's fine. Kind of sad I have to shorten my nails so much. I just have to file a lot, but I really like the length that it was on. But you know what? It's okay. I had to take a quick food break, but I guess we're kind of done. These look fucking awful, but hopefully the polish will kind of cover it. The tips that I bought are just awful, even though they were quite expensive on the website. Clearly they're not very great. I'm about to go and just paint my nails. I'm watching some Canon JC while I do this. I just want to get this over with because it's like 3. It's literally 3:18 and I started at 12:30. It's not okay. Well, they're done. And you're not getting a proper close-up because they look not that great. They're like okay. I don't know, they're like fine, but like I don't want to look at them from up close. Oh my god, this one's so ugly shaped. I spent like literally 5 hours doing this. Not really, but like it's 4 p.m. right now. I started at 12:30. Never doing that again. Okay, I will, but like I just need to practice. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna make some coffee and like take a breather on the balcony because I've been like literally working on my nails for hours, and then I'm gonna sit down and see if I can get some good lighting and film. had a little break. This battery is dying, but I'm just gonna film until it dies. I'm about to go film a video on my weekly workout routine while at home. And yeah, this is like the last thing I need to film because I've been filming my workouts for like a week, and all I need to do now is sit down and like obviously explain everything. I've been dreading it. I don't know why. Like, I just haven't really felt like sitting in front of a camera. Like, vlogging I don't mind, but having to like sit down in front of the camera, I don't know, I just haven't been feeling like it. But I'm gonna do it because it is a sponsored video and I have deadlines, and like I need to get this out to them before the end of tomorrow. Sorry about the noise. So just getting my ring light real quick. Even though it is bright, I always need an extra light to film with. I really want to get like some soft boxes and stuff. I just have nowhere to store them, so I won't be able to do that until I like move out and have my own filming room, hopefully next year. Oh, I forgot to take my supplements yesterday. Good flame. I just finished filming and I'm about to go eat, but I first wanted to actually give you a quick room update. As you can see, my mirror is now over there, and the like closet thing that used to be over there is gone. My brother is actually taking it, and I got this big, hello focus, I got this big bookcase from IKEA. It's the Billy, and this is like the highest one. It's like about the height of my closet, wardrobe, whatever. And I decided to move it over here and put all my shoes in there because I didn't like how deep the other one was, and it was really making my room look very dark. And there wasn't an option to put that one over here because it's just so deep. So this one honestly fits perfect. Fits a lot of shoes. I can even get more shelves if I get like new shoes and I need more space. My bag's up there and some random decor that I still have. I might end up changing that, but I don't know for sure. But yeah, I love it so much, and I put my jewelry over here, and I'm just like very happy with the fact that I got this thing. So just wanted to let you know. I can leave a link down below to this exact bookcase if you want. And then I just have my mirror here, and it's just like so much better for mirror pics and stuff. Like the lighting's just a lot better, and my room just overall looks a lot lighter and like more bright, so it's perfect. From going on a walk with Devin and my mom. It was quite windy, but it was nice. I really need to organize my closet shelves because they're literally like full of crap. Oh my god, let me brush this hair. It was like so windy. Just walked around by the water and stuff, and it was nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna do kind of like a sped up montage of me organizing those shelves because it's been bothering me, and I really just need it to be organized again because it's literally like, this one isn't too bad, but still it has like crap in there. And then this one has like even more shit, and it has like, whenever I do like collaborations and like sponsorships, I put the products that I use in there so that I know where it is, and then after I finish it I never put it away or like throw away the packaging. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna speed it up while I listen to some music or like watch some YouTube or something. I also need to find a spot to put all those nail products. Also guys, we're literally, let me just tell you this, we're at 270k subscribers, which is so insane because I hit 200k in November, and I'm like, how did we almost hit like, gained like 100k? Like, it's insane. But it's so crazy because at the beginning of the year I made like a little like goals list for this year, and the first one was like start working out, and like I've done that. The only thing I still need to work on is eating healthy, get into fashion school. I did that. Literally, what is going on? Grow my Instagram to 60k, and right now I'm at 53, so like I'm obviously gonna get that this year, which is so weird. And then my goal is to hit 300k before the end of the year, and we're like 30 away. Like how? I don't know, it's so fucking crazy. Yeah, just life doesn't feel real right now, even though we're all going through like so much. Like, I'm so happy that I at least have something to look forward to. Also, let me know if you guys, if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, go follow me. But let me know if you guys enjoy me posting on there daily, like on my feed, because I was doing every other day just to get more consistent. And now I've started doing daily, which doesn't mean I have to shoot more content, but I don't mind it. Like, it kind of forced me to be a bit more creative and like try to think out of the box of like new content. These can all go. That was actually pretty good. Let me show you what it looks like now. This one, all organized, collab stuff, camera stuff, DIY kind of nail, shoe, paint, all that kind of shit. And then over here, I have this Balenciaga box that I don't know where else to put. Random shit, hangers, hats, wax stuff, everyday like lotion, deodorant, everything. Pretty good. I'm happy. I'm so tired. I have to be quiet because my mom's in bed. It's like almost 1 a.m. and I just got finished editing. Wasn't able to study, which is kind of annoying, but I just got so caught up with editing. Like, I still have makeup on though, so I need to take it off, like mascara. I have a little bit of brow product on, but I did just want to quickly film a little outro for this video or this vlog and not just abruptly end it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's day in my life vlog. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And follow me on my Instagram because I post on there daily, so if you want to see me more often, you should follow me there. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.